Good morning, everyone. Today we will revise chapter 3 Money and Credit from Economics. And student, here it is very important to understand the meaning of the chapter Money and Credit. It means we will cover the two terms in this chapter. First is money, and the second one is credit. So let's start with money. It means what is money, why money is used as a medium of exchange, and before money, if there was a barter system, what were the main limitations of barter system. So first of all, what is money? बच्चे, money is any item or verifiable record that is generally accepted as payment for goods and services and repayment of debt such as taxes in a particular country or social economic context. It means money can be defined as anything that people use to buy goods and services, and money is also called by many other names like currency, cash. So first term is money and the second term is credit. Credit means udhar. Credit is generally defined as a contractual agreement in which borrower receives something of value now and agree to repay the lender at a later date, generally with interest. So, this chapter is all about the money and credit, and in this chapter, we will mainly cover the medium of exchange, money, other form of currency, and then terms and sources of credit, self help group, and the last one is Reserve Bank of India and other banks. So, student, let's start with the medium of exchange, money. As I told you that money can be defined as anything that people use to buy goods and services. But before the invention of money, barter system was very common. Now the question arises, what is barter system? Barter system is a old method of exchange. That system has been used for centuries. It is also known as CC economy, commodity and commodity economy. It means goods are exchanged for the goods only. And before the advent of money, people used to follow the barter system of exchange. Suppose A and B, the two person, A has wheat and B has books. So if they are ready to exchange the goods, this is the barter system. But the main thing is there is a no money. If A is giving books to B, in the same way B is giving wheat to A. There is no transaction of cash between A and B. So that was the barter system, and the history of bartering dates all the way back to 6000 BC. Then, student, the most important is the limitation of barter system. If I am saying that money introduced in the market, it means barter system had some limitation. That is why we need the introduction of money in the market. So, what were the limitation? The first one was lack of double coincidence of wants. Then second is deferred payment are difficult, lack of store of value, and lack of common measure of value. The first one is lack of double coincidence of want. Suppose मैं अपना पहले वाला अगर एग्जांपल लूँ, that A has books and B has wheat, and A need wheat which is available with B. It means B is having wheat, but it is not necessary that B also need books which A has. It may be possible the need of B vary from which A has. B को possible है कि B को books नहीं चाहिए, तो देयर इज अ डबल कोइंसिडेंस ऑफ वांट, देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ डबल कोइंसिडेंस ऑफ वांट. जो उन दोनों की नीड है वो मैच नहीं हो रही है. ए को तो वीट चाहिए, ठीक है, लेकिन बी को बुक्स नहीं चाहिए. दैट वाज द मेन लिमिटेशन ऑफ बार्टर सिस्टम. देन द सेकेंड वन इज deferred payments are difficult. बच्चे deferred means a temporary postponement. It means outstanding, कुछ अभी ना पे कर कर हम फ्यूचर में पे करेंगे. This is the deferred payment. So is it possible to pay in the future in the barter system? बार्टर सिस्टम में हम कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे कि किसी चीज़ की वर्थ कितनी है, और फ्यूचर में मे बी अगर मैं सपोज़ किसी से साइकिल ले लेती हूँ, ठीक है, और उसके बदले में उसे कार दे देती हूँ, ठीक है, साइकिल एंड कार का हम एक्सचेंज कर रहे हैं. इन फ्यूचर इट मे बी पॉसिबल कि दोनों पे डिप्रिसिएशन लगता है क्योंकि साइकिल एंड कार पे, तो जो उसकी वैल्यू आज है वो फ्यूचर में क्या हो जाएगी, कम. सो डेफर्ड पेमेंट्स आर डिफिकल्ट. इट मे बी पॉसिबल द वैल्यू कैन बी इंक्रीज ऑल्सो. ओके, कुछ ऐसा एग्जाम्पल भी हम ले सकते हैं जहाँ वैल्यू बढ़ भी जाए और मे बी वैल्यू घट भी जाए. सो the value may be increased, the value may be decreased. So deferred payments are very difficult in the barter system. Then the next one is lack of store of value and lack of common measure of value. Lack of store of value means, suppose we are doing exchange and the items, the commodities are perishable in nature. It means they do not possess any durability. तो बच्चे इसमें क्या होगा, विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम द क्वालिटी स्टार्ट डेट्रोइटिंग. जो क्वालिटी है घटने लगेगी. तो बार्टर सिस्टम में हम स्टोर कैसे रखेंगे उसकी वैल्यू. मैंने मिल्क दिया, ठीक है, और मिल्क के बदले में शुगर का एक्सचेंज किया. तो बच्चे मिल्क तो परिशेबल आइटम है ना, तो मैं उसकी वैल्यू कब तक कैसे मेजर करूँगी. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज लैक ऑफ कॉमन मेजर ऑफ वैल्यू. Lack of common measure of value means it is difficult sometimes to decide the exact ratio, the exact worth of a particular item. Suppose A is ready to exchange wheat with B who is having the rice. बट हमें ये नहीं पता कि 1 kg वीट के बदले में कितना राइस लेना है या कितना वीट देना है. सो लैक ऑफ कॉमन मेजर ऑफ वैल्यू वॉज द मेन लिमिटेशन ऑफ द बार्टर सिस्टम. Then money introduced, anything which is used as a medium of exchange, store of value. Standard of deferred payment is called money. It means जो barter system की जितनी भी कमियां थी उन सबको दूर किया मनी ने. एंड एनीथिंग विच इज़ यूज एज अ मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज इज नॉन एज मनी. एंड द फंक्शंस ऑफ द मनी आर मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज, स्टोर ऑफ वैल्यू, एंड इट इज़ अ स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ डेफर्ड पेमेंट. डेफर्ड पेमेंट इज पॉसिबल थ्रू मनी. अगर मुझे किसी को फ्यूचर पेमेंट करनी है तो उस टाइम पे बार्टर सिस्टम में तो मुझे क्या करनी पड़ती थी, गुड्स की वर्थ देखनी पड़ती थी. अब मुझे पता है, सपोज मैंने एक आज बुक परचेज किया विच इज़ ऑफ 500 रुपीज़, एंड इन फ्यूचर इट इज़ वेरी क्लियर इन माई माइंड दैट आई विल पे 500 टू देम. सो मनी इज अ स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ डेफर्ड पेमेंट. Student, here there is a link that the video on evolution of money. If you want to see this video, I am sending you this video, but this is the link. If you will click on this link, there is a video that how money was evoluted. So I hope, student, this topic is clear to you. In the next video we will cover the another topic, other form of currency and the terms of credit. Students, if you have any doubt you can take your doubts. Thank you, students.